Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Wolf and her sister Fox, chapter 44. So here it is. Let's read the story. Well, UNC, she was kissing her gently. Injun, right now, she seems to be happy. Well, this little fox, it was deliberately set a trap for me again and waited for me to jump down. UNC said to herself, now, in June, she moved closer to her. Since my sister doesn't want to be taken care of by me, are you willing to be my benefactor? Well, right now, Minjun. She was really looking forward to it, even though she's trying to reach her. Right now, UNC. Suddenly, she became pause. Well, probably she was thinking how to answer her. No, Minchun was asking her, sister, what should you do if you have no money? No, she was shaking her head. Probably she was missing something. Then, use her own body as a prize for me. Oh, she is really getting tricky, right? See, she moved closer again. I want to eat and taste. Now, UNC, she become tricky. UNC, she seems to be surprised. Don't worry, sister, no one else will come in here tonight except from you. Now, she put down UNC. Well, definitely mention. She really can restrain herself. Also, right now, UNC, she looks really uncomfortable. Now, she was humming. Probably don't know what to do. Now, Minjun, she moved closer to her. Today, I can use other place to make my sister happy. Oh, definitely, she was really thinking hard. Now, UNC. Suddenly, she said to her, you, enough. Well, it must be really troublesome. Now, she's feeling uncomfortable, even though Minjun is only guiding hers. Now, it really makes sense for her. She's really getting tricked by Minjun. Now, it really makes sense. Xiaojun, UNC was calling her. After finishing teasing each other, now, on the seaside tavern, I got eaten dry and wiped clean again. UNC explaining to herself, of course, sister, why are you so walking so fast? My wrist is getting hurt. I want to go back quickly. Why? Because I feel so strange. Look at her. Suddenly she becomes serious. Well, probably, since she already came from being comatose right now, she was really looking forward to it. Sister, didn't you just now? Minjun said to her. Now she was sleeping and relying on. It really makes sense to her. Well, she was still blushing, although right now, it is really getting serious. But Minjun, she's really getting tricky. What else? Oh, is she really expecting something? More about it. Now, she got really shy. Well, it's embarrassing enough then. I think about it now. How can I say it loud? Suddenly, someone was grabbing her skirt. Now, it turns out it was a child. She was calling her, "Tu sister." Well, what a cute little child. Do you want to buy some of small jewelry? The kid is asking them. Well, definitely right now. She wrote down herself that, hey, Shaolin, help me buy this. Well, it was really cool. Suddenly, UNC, she noticed something. It is similar to her cut. I can give you something better when we got back. Now, it makes sense to her. The more I look at it, the more similar it goes. Now, suddenly she got really puzzled. Well, a young doll. It was really promising. The little girl said, thank you, sister. Now, she wanted to tell her that stay safe. After an hour, she sees that. Now, she's trying to coax her. UNC suddenly moved closer to her and she was questioning her. You're still angry. Of course, it really is. But right now, let's see. Since she was really thicker person and she don't want to disclose her true colors. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.